Welcome to a rainy edition of Metal Detecting with Lugnut. At this old house, probably 20 something, slated for destruction because of a highway. I'm just going to swing around the yard. This place has been abandoned for a while. Let's see what there is under the grass before the bulldozers get here. Well, I'm in the backyard, really trashy. I have a nice signal here. It took me a minute to find it. There was also a nail in the hole. But look at this. I think we got... That's a Merc if I ever saw one. Let's pop this puppy. First silver coin of 2022. Reeded edge. Alright, let me get some water. I'll be right back. Yep. Well, it's not very bright. See if we can see a date. Well, I can't see a date. Let me clean it up. We'll check it out some more. I just cannot see the date on this coin. This one may have to get some baking soda when I get home. I don't know what stained it like this. But it's a mercury diamond. I will take that. Next target. There's where I dug the mercury dime. And look right here. That's the same signal. Must be another one. Call that a spill. Alright, I can't do a live dig one-handed, so let's just go out. I'll dig this up. I'll cut the plug. We'll go back and look at it. Alright. Should be in here somewhere. Oh. It's not a... What is that? Well, it's not a mercury dime. It looks like some kind of door latch. Oh well. Next target. A pretty decent sound in here, but it turned out to be just a melted something. Listen to this. Sounds good. Oh well. There's a lot of trash in this yard. I haven't even gotten a wheat penny yet. Not far from the molten whatever it was. Kind of a weird signal. All the way up to 83, but it's this buckle. Still works. Next target. Well, look at that. Cleaned up with a little baking soda. It is a 1942 S. Very, very cool. I'm going to have to look that one up. Well, let's do a front porch wrap up. Rain's gotten a little too hard, plus I'm losing my light. So there's some junk. And there was plenty more where that came from. Plus the soil here is really rocky and hard to dig. The two good things, a mercury dime, some shiny that's not particularly shiny, and an interesting buckle. That's really all we got today. Thanks for joining me. It was nice to get out to actually metal detect. Come back next time when we'll be doing some kind of hunting for something, artifacts or metal or whatever. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.